In this video, let us learn about how to remove the special characters from the name in the cell in Excel. Welcome back to dptutorials. Let us consider this example where we have some names in column A containing the special characters in each cell. Let us remove these special characters by creating a user-defined function using VBA now. Go to VBA editor window. Type the code like this: function space remove special, open the parenthesis, structure as string, comma, chars as string, for index equals to 1 to len parenthesis chars, close the parenthesis, press enter, str equals to replace parenthesis str comma mid, open the parenthesis, chars comma index comma 1, close the parenthesis, comma, give the inverted quotes, close the parenthesis and press enter, type next, press enter and type Removespecial equals to str and end function. Now go back to the Excel sheet. Here in some cell like E5, type all the special characters that you want to remove from column A. Type like tilde, exclamation, at the right, hash, dollar symbol, percentage, ampersand, and everything like this. Now type formula in cell C5 as equals to Removespecial, open the parenthesis, B5 comma E5, close the parenthesis and press enter. You will be thrilled to see the result exactly the way we want it to have. Now log the references of E5 in the cell C5 and drag this formula to all the cells and see the desired result like this. It's done. Very simple, right? So friends, this is all about how to remove the special characters from the name in the cell in Excel. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If yes, please give me a like, share and comment. For further more interesting videos, please do subscribe dptutorials. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.